Welcome! We love it! Good morning everybody. We are about half an hour away from starting the absolutely stunning Wild Coast hike. Next 5 days is going to be absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. I think everyone's excited. Yeah, we're just packing the bus and then we're going to be off. You can't wait. Creepy man.
Had a dream that society broke down. A global warning that no one should go out. We were sad and scared of light.
Uno,
dos,
tres,
cuatro, cinco, seis.
What is it?
It's a whale!
It's a whale.
Now a lion is stripped of life and love. So we wait for the summer.
We're finally taller than Brady! We made it! Oh yeah! We are here on day 2 of the Wild Coast. How are we feeling, Trent?
Feeling pretty good, you know. Really enjoying the Trans-Sky. I mean, it's such a beautiful area, and really just giving me those summer beach vibes. So enjoying it, man.
Sure. Nothing like paradise, eh?
Amen. All the sunscreen smells like holiday all the time.
This hill never ends.
Buddy, you're an MAI. Shut up.
Little fight. We're here at Camp Fritz.
Let's go.
Guys, the rock formations here are really cool, as you can see.
Did you see it in there? Or maybe I put it in my...
See you in June. I'll see you in June. Wait until it's safe. Maybe that
Normal tail.
space. We'll see you in June.
Sexy tail.
Wait until it's safe. Maybe that I might need the space. So we'll see you in June. I'll see you in June. Wait until it's safe.
It's tail. It's loose. It's
So we'll see you in June.
Well, it's the 4th day of the hike. We're doing a 20k hike today. Hopefully mostly on the beach. Feeling a little bit tired. Didn't get a good night's sleep in. But yeah, still excited for the day.
Day 4, baby.
What it means to reciprocate. How much can I be expected to tolerate? So I started to think about the plans I made today.
Let's go, Boca! Yeah! Rugby! Yeah!
So who's going in first?
Alright, let's go.
I guess it's Brad because I don't want to do it. Day 5 done. We're here at Sugarloaf, where we're going to be staying for the next evening, celebrating Kian's birthday. And it was a fantastic hike, everyone. Thanks for watching. Check you in the next one.